the pussy and then he okay, I come back to the Navy. You know this? Oh, that's Merly. He said, oh, okay, Merly. Okay, the other day he come back again. And that's another. Oh, that's Dota. Yes, that's an example only, huh? And then, oh, he knows. Just only touch the pussy and he know that. And then another guy. Go again. Other day he went back to that position and then and then he touched again. Oh, that's Maria. You know, how do he know that? So, because you know that. And then one day, he don't know. He put his finger on his back. How about this? Hey, Melinda. Oh, this is new. This is new. I don't know that guy. Can you introduce me to
Oh my god.
No, just okay. That's not good.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
No, there.